Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful and decent video of hand embroidery borders. In our today's video, the design stitches are very easy, but the hand embroidery borders are somewhat heavy floral embroidery designs that gives entirely decent formal and an elegant look at the same time. But before going into the further details, please guys don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe now as many as other devices so that we could grow into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So guys, let's move back towards our main content. The beauty and creativity of these very beautiful patterns and simple and easy beginner-friendly borderline embroidery design patterns make them much more creative. You can equally use them for making your dresses, for DIY decor items, and many other creativities as well. So, in order to give them a more formal and elegant look, I would recommend you to make use of pearls. And as I have been showing you the designs previously into which pearls were being used, you can also get ideas from those usage of beads and pearls to make them formal. You can also make use of different type of embroidery threads like anchor, DMC, silky threads, or wool for embroidering the whole pattern. The requirement depends on to your choice, which I have already discussed into my most of the previous videos. You can also give them a more formal look by making usage of mirror work or panel work as well. Now I'm giving you a light look of embroidery pattern along with the embroidery design, that how these embroidery patterns would look like. And we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive of sharing design and ideas is to share creativity. You can equally make use of these very beautiful patterns for making your jalebias, abayas, sleeves, borders, and the scope is not only limited to this. You can make use of these very beautiful patterns of porcelain embroidery for making and embroidering your tablecloths, your cushion covers, your home decor DIY accessories, your pot covers, and many more creativities as per your choices. Guys, I have already shared thousands of designs of borderline embroidery along with millions of designs of hand embroidery. So go explore my channel and watch creative and beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery that are widely used for different type of ideas. And now you are having look of very beautiful and creative tablecloth embroidery covers with the usage of borderline embroidery. So now at the end or the last section of this video, I'm sharing multiple borderline embroidery designs so that you can get the idea of the different borderline embroideries and you can make use of them as per your own choices. So thank you so much for watching.